Greetings, welcome to the second edition of our demonstration of an ERP system designed here in Zimbabwe by ESC Software Consultancy. So today I want to demonstrate the security features of the system. Authentication is one of the key features. So I would like to log in to show that that security feature is available. Okay, so as I'm logging in, let me explain the security of the login process. The system uses a sorting and hashing system. Even if you open the database, you find that the password characteristics are not even visible. Even from any angle, you can't read the characters of the password. That's very important for authentication and security in general of a system. Okay. Besides that, each user has got roles. When you enter into the system, you are assigned a role. When you sign up, you are assigned a role, and that role does not change. Right? So the role is similar to the same role that you play in your company. The roles are actually the same. And along with the roles, we have the permissions. Each role has got permissions to specific modules within the system. You can only access modules that you are authorized to. So the permissions can involve creating records, reading records, updating records, deleting or approving. Right? That's a role and permissions. Very important for a system. Besides that, the system is also tracking each and every activity happening in the system. There's an audit logs module where each user's activity is being tracked. All the additions, all the actions that are happening in the system are being tracked by the system, and this is available to the super admin. So, for example, this user created a record, right? The action was created under the model of payslips. The record was 181. The ID number of the payslip, that's 181 on that date. And these other payslips, remember, we did this together in the first demonstration. You can see the times are almost the same for all these payslips. All right, so they were created as a bulk transaction. All right, so that's important, an audit log model to track every activity that is happening in the system. In addition to that, to demonstrate that this system is scalable, the admin is also able to add more modules. Right? Let me just demonstrate a little bit of that. This schema builder, you can add a model, right? You can create a new table, the database, easily it can be done. Besides that, for each already existing model, you are able to add more fields. Imagine you can add more fields to existing tables, right? Like the approvals process, you can add another field. Okay, these are the available fields. You can add another one. Okay, just to demonstrate that. Okay, so the other important aspect on the server settings, it is actually on the database backups, right? So you can actually create another backup. This backup was done today, right? Today at 19:05, that's 7:05. Okay, so you can create another one. We don't need to create another one at this moment because nothing has changed significantly from the last backup. What else would you want for a system what are the security features would you want.